Fix in 5. Let's decode P0461. Fuel level sensor is circuit range/performance problem, sensor output in. Causes, symptoms, the fix, and what it costs. You can keep driving, for now. For now is doing a lot of work there. First, the symptoms. Fuel gauge reading erratic or inaccurate, fuel gauge stuck at empty or full, check engine light, MIL, illuminated, fuel gauge needle fluctuates or bounces, no fuel gauge reading at all. Now the most likely causes. Fuel level sensor failure or malfunction. Corroded or damaged wiring in fuel sender circuit. Poor electrical connection at sensor connector. Fuel tank float mechanism stuck or damaged. Failed fuel pump relay affecting sensor power. How to fix it. Replace fuel level sensor assembly. Repair or replace corroded fuel sender wiring harness. Clean and reseat fuel sender electrical connector. Replace fuel tank if internal corrosion is extensive. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 532 models. What does it cost? Roughly Euro 35.95 doing it yourself, or Euro 155-215 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. People also ask, how much does it cost to fix P0461? The cost to fix P0461 generally ranges from €80 to €500, depending on the specific fault, your vehicle's make/model, and local labor rates. A diagnostic scan at a shop will help identify the exact cost. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0461. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.